7:18 is the time. So great to see you after it was a bright and sunny day. A little cloud cover that has now returned to the area. And if you're just finishing up dinner out on the patio or taking that fresh cooked dinner off the grill, tonight's going to be that night just to feel that fresh breeze with the windows open. 84 degrees. Maybe you had to turn the air conditioner on for today. Southerly winds at 5 miles per hour. Dew points right around the upper 50s. Relatively speaking, that's still a measure if we do a quick humidity check where we're in the comfortable range. It's getting borderline, though, humid as it begins to creep up a little bit, and it will do so through the end of the work week. Depends on where you are, though. You feel now that cooler breeze. Point Place, Harbor View, back toward Maumee Bay State Park, up to Luna Pier. Now we're looking at some lower 80s from Sylvania. Downtown at 83, 82 Maumee to Perrysburg. The majority of the area well into the 80s. We're still very mild across the area. That warmth is coming with an unusual little buckle in the jet stream, an area of low pressure that is anchored across the western third of the country. Big ridge in the jet stream, which is also accentuated by an upper level low that continues to drift a little bit back closer to the east coast. And for the foreseeable future, that means the rest of this work week, it's going to stay that way. Now, how about spring rainfall? Let's put this in perspective because we did have a wet week last week, but would you believe it? Our spring precipitation starting from the 1st of March, just over 7 inches, is actually 1 inch below average. And a lot of that due to the abnormally dry April weather that we had across the area. It was cool and it was dry through April. So here's where we go the rest of tonight. We're only going to drop back into the low to mid 60s into tomorrow morning. So this is right around sunrise. Taking the kids to school, getting your work day started. It is going to be a warm summer feeling day. We'll springboard quickly, mid to upper 70s. That's by noon on Wednesday. And it's an easy drive into the 80s from there. Low to even mid 80s, although heads up to that lake breeze a little bit more prominent through the day tomorrow. It will sweep across Monroe County, parts of the Toledo Metro, and all lakeshore areas through Wednesday. I do anticipate we will stay dry. There's been a hint at an isolated shower that tries to develop late Wednesday. Doubtful that's going to happen. More sun and dry weather expected through the end of the work week. So I'll call it a partly sunny day tomorrow. Cooler near the lake, up into the 80s for most areas. And that boater's forecast, be very mindful of the cold lake waters. Still at 52 degrees. That's going to put you in the 60s near the lake shore. And, of course, the dangers of that cold water this time of the year. Low to mid-80s expected Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Next chance we get just an isolated pop-up shower. Storm is going to be late Saturday into Sunday. Upper 70s Sunday and a little cooler next week. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday back in the low 70s.
What I love about your weather is you're not just telling us the forecast, but why it's happening. So that ridge in the jet stream, I mean, it's really hot down in Texas, but then it's still very, very comfortably warm up in Canada.
They've had some triple-digit heat down in Texas and Oklahoma, some of the earliest readings that they've seen, 100-degree days back-to-back on record, and they're still going to be searing away with some of that heat. We're just getting a little taste of it.
Yeah.
Nothing extreme for us yet, but we were within 3 degrees of a record high in our area today. It hit 86. The record was 89.
But up in Canada, even, it's very warm.
Oh, yeah. Where we got that buckle in the jet stream, it's squeezing all the way north up into Canada.
All right, Chris, thank you.